Why are beans such an advantage planting in your garden? Because beans fix the nitrogen in your soil. And why do you, beans add nitrogen to your soil. And why do you want nitrogen? It's the one component that is beneficial to all plants. Every plant needs nitrogen to survive. So one of the things that is beautiful is called companion planting, where you plant things for a specific reason. For instance, if you planted your beans on the right side of your garden this year, or last year, sorry, if you planted the beans on the right side of your garden last year, what they did was they put nitrogen into the soil. So what do you want to plant in that same spot that you planted beans last year? You want to put your leafy greens in there, because leafy greens need a lot of nitrogen, and they will take that nitrogen that the beans put into the soil last year and they will use it to produce beautiful leafy greens. So it's pretty awesome. Companion planting is amazing. I've been doing it all my life and I've never had to spray for pests, and it just makes your garden thrive because you're putting nutrients back into the soil just by planting something there. So one more thing before I go is I want to say, don't plant beans near your onions, because that's a not good companion plant. They don't want to be near each other. They're not going to do well. So keep your beans away from your onions in the garden, because they don't like each other. So keep them out of there. This is all part of companion planting, one of my favorite things, and you have a great day.